here at our friend's house in Usk, Washington. They let us send our packages, our last minute little stuff here. And we've got one more package that's supposed to be here today. Look how gorgeous this place is. Hope the wind's not too much. It is blowing just a little bit. I love the reflection in the water. Look how gorgeous that is. When we came up here, we passed these along the way, and we didn't know what they were for. This is Washington State, so they do a lot of logging around here. And these logs that are standing up in the water, they would tie the logs that they're floating down the river. The ones that were floating on top of the water, they would tie up on these logs here. And then continue down the river. Taking a boat ride today. There's Bobby. There's Daryl. This is Joe. Hello, Joe.
Hi, Carol.
Hello, Daylene.
Hello.
And y'all know Kim. Cooking with Kim. Woohoo. Oh boy. Y'all see the eagle up there? Oh yeah. Nice.
Let's go inside and get it. The house has just got a dog here. They don't pick it.
I'm above you.
Right in front of Bobby. Those
Yeah.
poles right there that have steps on them. Kids will crawl up there and dive off that.
Well, you're doing it too.
I did it once, but Brian and Brady does it.
See where the steps are at?
Oh yeah.
Got little birds up
If you got
there.
another water below you, that's a big old tree. You know how they do. They
So
wrap
how
up
deep
all them
is this
logs, put
lake?
the ring around it, and put on the
River?
river.
River.
Yeah.
How deep is this river?
It's 25 to 30 in the channel, and in the edges it gets really shallow. So right now we're at 25 feet of water.
Oh, y'all look at the loons.
Well, they make loons, are
Boomerangs.
Those, yeah.
They're what?
Boomerangs.
Boomerangs.
Shit-a-courts.
They eat fish
3 times their weight a day.
in a day.
Yeah.
A day?
Yeah. And
It's volume.
Are they letting out the other end?
Still bringing your water up. I don't know if they're letting out the other end. That's a long ways down there.
They might be letting out, but that dam's smaller than this one, so they could easily flood us out.
There's more of those birds they don't like. Oh, one of them's got a nest up there. Oh, a couple of them's got nests.
protected species for some reason. I don't know why there's a million of them. I don't know why they call them. Maybe this is the only place there are. I don't know.
I don't ever remember seeing this.
The nest? Oh,
Yay, all the bird watchers. Canadian geese with their babies. I don't know if y'all can see the babies because they're so